Hello?
Dark.
Hi.
Oh. Oh, iba
Dark
pala.
and
Ano ba yan? Okay na sana na nag-hi ka tapos biglang hinighlight dito sa ano. Ano?
Dark and Twisty ba ang pangalan niya? Tama ba?
Yes, hi everybody. I'm Tim Twisty.
Dark and Twisty. Age 27. Single?
Yes. Yes.
Single. Okay.
Ano dark and twisty?
Ano masasabi mo sa dalawang babae, the letter sender?
Well, to be honest, I listened carefully po dun sa what you guys said, and this is what I have to say. Na naintindihan naman natin na a 3-month release can definitely be truthful, pero pwede talagang nagkaroon sa ng significant impact. Pero sa iba kasi, parang sininok ka lang kasi 3 months na yun eh. Pero we're not quite sure gaano katagal sila nag-date prior. So medyo skeptical ako kung gaano sila ka-invested sa isa't isa. Pero kasi for me, there are exes na ang intention lang after sumulat ay pwedeng several reasons. Nagsisisi sila, bored, or gusto lang nila maalis yung guilt sa puso nila. Or kumbaga para ma-forgive nila yung sarili nila. And kung itong tao na to na nakipaghiwalay sa kanya, didn't really do much good sa pagkatao niya, sa confidence niya or what have you, most especially sa relationship, then I don't see any valid reason for this person to go back to the same person. Might as well mag-focus na siya sa training niya or kung ano man yung goals niya kasi if he's young, then there's definitely a lot of things in store for her. Additionally, sa junk messages, I'm not a fan of it. Kasi, as for me, I really don't believe na with such thing as nagawa ko lang yun dahil lasing ako. Nothing against you, DJ. I know you said that you have some people that you intentionally junk message to, but that's just my take. So if I were this person, it's important na i-rationalize whether worth it bang balikan tong tao na to or just move forward and focus sa needs niya. If there's a tiny bit of hesitation, then there's no reason to stay or go back to the person. Pinaka-importante sa lahat, it's not your job to understand how your ex's brain works. That's not your job. Your job is to protect yourself, to heal yourself. That's just my take.
So feeling mo to move on na lang sa letter sender?
Yes, kasi an ex is an ex. If it's not really worth it, hindi na po dapat pa magstay or to fix it.
Ikaw pala pag talaga, pass is pass talaga, no?
Yes, kasi I'm a firm believer po na it is what it is. What's done is done. We already ended, whether good or bad. That's about it. May closure o wala,
Pwede
then
ba,
we're done.
pwede ba pag ex, okay lang kung gusto bumalik yung sarap? Sarap lang ang habol?
I mean, in my situation now, I would agree to that po.
Kita mo, isa ka rin eh, di ba? Nagpapanggap ka pa kanina. X is X na, pass is pass. Pero sa kaibuturan ng iyong buhot.
Yes, I mean, no strings attached po.
O, di ba?
As long
Sino
as
may
clear-
ayaw nung ganun?
Correct. As long as clear both ends, na no strings attached, eto lang tayo, then go, let's do it.
Oh,
Let's
yun.
do it. Let's do this.
Basta klaro. Basta klaro.
Correct.
Yan.
Ikaw ba meron kang gustong ihingi ng advice dito sa papa mo, Tony?
Well, it's quite a story, to be honest. So it's up to you guys if you wanna share some opinion of yours. But this is just me sharing out, finally, out loud, kung how I loved someone so much for 2 years. That eventually, it's an organic encounter that turned into a paranormal or ghosting encounter kasi.
Ay, grabe.
Paranormal. Yan pa yung yung nakakatakot.
Oo, paranormal experience. Yung parang Blair Witch.
O, ganun ba yun?
Saan
naging
kayo
ganun?
nag-meet?
Ghosting daw.
Yes. So basically, back in 2023, I was single for 2 years.
Oh, so pandemic,
And-
single ka?
Correct.
Okay.
So I got off a 2-year relationship in 2021. Then I just opted to be single kasi I was finishing off my studies at the time.
Okay.
Then lagi ako nagtataka that no one was talking to me when I'm outside. Yung pala, I have this very serious masungit face.
Ah.
So I made
Mm.
a
Resting
promise to
bitch
myself.
face.
Oh, yan. RBF
Yeah.
siya.
Mm.
Correct. That's the right term. So I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna try to smile so that hopefully it can attract someone. So long story short, there's this guy that I saw at a fast food chain. So na-realize ko na lang, I felt na
Sa fast
someone
food
was
pa.
looking at me.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
so yun, I felt that someone was looking at me on my peripheral. Then I looked back to confirm several times. Then on the third time na na-confirm ko, okay, this person is looking at me, I smiled awkwardly and went back to my table. Tapos sabi ko nun, if I see this person outside, then I'm going to ask for his number.
Mm.
And that happened.
Yun.
And I actually had to ask someone. I was with my boss at the time. Sabi ko, boss, kunin mo yung number niyan kasi torpe ako eh. So she did.
Wow, inang utos pa, ah.
Wow.
At the time, it was very taboo to me that someone is replying 3 to 5 business days. Mind you, it's business days, ha? Within 3 to 5 business days. So I kept asking myself, what's wrong with me? Bakit I don't feel like this person is attracted to me? And it went on for months. Until such point na I told him na I'm no longer going to message you kasi I don't feel like this is going anywhere. But at the time, he stopped na we can just talk somewhere on a different platform because I'm more active there. So I gave it a shot. However, even after po nun same treatment, sometimes it gets worse. We went on a date once. It was good. Ganyan. But it only happened once sa first course ng pag-uusap namin mula April hanggang August of 2023. August, I was planning his birthday. But at the time, I was very much convinced na, okay, ayaw talaga nitong person na to sa akin. So, I ghosted him.
Ikaw
very
nag-ghost.
Ikaw nang ghost.
Ikaw pala nag-ghost eh.
Kinukontak ka niya.
Inuna mo nang eh. Nauna lang siya eh.
Takot kang tumanggap ng pagkatalo, ha? Nang-ghost ka, ha? Ayaw mo na to turn down ka.
Not really on that note po. Parang at the time, I just chose myself na this time, this person doesn't really want me in his life. So fine, I'll just walk away.
Mhm.
Kasi nga, for me, I don't need an explanation. Your actions speak loudly.
Were you just self-destructing? Baka slow burn yung guy eh. Di ba?
Hinabol ka ba niya nung ginost mo siya, hindi na siya nag-message?
No, wala na po talaga. So after I ghosted him ng August,
Oh.
his next message was January of 2024. He
Oh.
greeted me New Year. Happy New Year lang. And he just reacted to his message. But the Valentine's of that year, 2024, medyo nag-exchange. Parang Happy Valentine's, ganyan. Then, stop ulit. Then the next message was March or May 2024. Business concern. Then after that, wala na. As in complete. Then, come August of 2024, weeks leading to his birthday, I kept hearing starting over again. As in, it's on the loop everywhere I go. Sabi ko, what does this mean? And I know naman na I'm no longer in pain with whatever happened between me and him. But I still am very much interested in getting to know him more. So, nung mag-birthday na siya, I greeted him. I sent him an advanced birthday greeting. Then from there, we started trying to hit it off again.
Mm.
It's very, very noted sa utak ko. September 3, that was the second time, or that was the next time we saw each other again.
Oh, wow.
Kung
After
saan-
mga almost 1 year.
Correct, sir.
Oh.
After a year. And so it was brief for a couple of hours. He wanted me to keep him company lang while working. Kasi ako parang, I was an idle at work. So okay, we were just talking, ganyan. And that night, we had our first kiss as well. That's very surprising. It was just a peck, but alam mo yun, syempre, kilig. I like the person so much eh.
Mm-mm.
So that happened.
So yung first kiss
Then-
nyo after 1 year.
Correct. And literally after lang ng very casual na usapan, parang out of the blue, uy, I'm leaving na. Okay, sige. Ganyan, onting harutan, then suddenly we kiss. Okay.
Casual lang.
Diba? Casual lang. Okay, bye-bye. So it went on. We went out on breakfast dates. We normally meet every Saturday morning. We walk around everywhere ng holding hands. Kasi we don't have anything to hide naman to anyone. So parang that's our mantra. But we were non-exclusive. And that went on until October. At one point, he got sick. He got sick after a trip. And siyempre ako, I care about his well-being.
Mm.
Kinulit ko siya na, okay, what's happening, what's going on. Until he badged na, okay, fine. Ito yung, this is what's happening. Kasi he's avoidant din eh. That's one of my struggles. He's very much avoidant. So sabi ko, okay, send me the prescription. I'll come over to your place and take care of you. So I did. I bought his medicine, got him food supplies, and I cleaned his place. And surprisingly, that same weekend that I was at his place, something happened between us that I really did not anticipate or expect. Kasi nga, he's sick. My goal was to take care of him.
Oh, ano
And that was
nangyari?
the first time. Something. So we made out and such.
Nag-sex kayo?
Mm.
Correct. In the last better term, we had sex.
Wow.
Then,
Iba ka mag-alaga, ha? Okay kang nurse, ha?
Alam ko naman yun naman
Again.
talagang pakay mo eh.
Grabe.
Napapanood
one
ko
of
yung
the
mga
services
ganyan.
Kasama ba yun sa prescription? Nasa reseta ba yun?
Opo biogenetics daw eh.
Isang malaking buko juice.
Correct. So that happened, and that was the first time rin na-observe kong wala kaming compatibility when it comes to sex. So I took note of that.
Wala kayong
Okay.
compatibility?
Yes. It felt like, at least for me, it felt like I was doing it
Deal
for
breaker sa iba.
compliance purposes.
Deal breaker sa iba yan eh. Deal breaker yan sa
Yes.
ibang tao na chemistry sa bed is.
Mm.
Baka may sakit lang.
Natutunan
Baka may sakit lang siya. Baka may sakit lang siya kaya hindi siya naka-perform.
Mm. Well, it had nothing to do with the performance po eh. It really had something to do with the flow nung namin sa bed, with how we do things. It felt like I was doing it for compliance purposes. At least for me. I didn't feel a connection towards him. That was the first time.
Makaraos lang siya.
Correct.
Yeah.
Well, honestly, that day, kasi nga he's sick, I was very worried na baka nahihilo siya, ganyan.
Worried
stopped the
ka, sick nga siya, tapos chinup-chup mo.
Sir, I did not initiate. It was him.
Siya ba?
Siya.
Yes.
Wow,
correct.
nakapagtrabaho pa siya. So parang, ang higpit mo naman, ang hirap mo naman i-please, talagang may criteria for judging ka pa. So after nun,
Sorry, mataas ang standards.
after nung nangyari na yun, hindi na kayo nag-uusap ulit? Ginost mo siya ulit?
Hindi po. Grabe naman. Grabe ang tingin mo sa akin. We still talk. Actually, the following morning, we talked about what happened.
Okay.
I'm sorry that happened. It was not supposed to happen.
Ay,
And everything went well.
ganun pa. Kala mo naman talaga mga elementary.
Sorry, my
I didn't
pants.
mean
Sorry,
to.
not sorry.
Sorry, my boxers went down. Alam mo na.
Exactly. I mean,
Tapos,
not that I'm complaining.
tapos anong pang pagkatapos nun? Hanggang ngayon kayo pa rin.
Well, we continued talking. We continued going out, ganyan. Until November happened. Everything was going through smoothly. We video call and
Okay.
such every now and then. And continued ang breakfast date. Then November, we met for the last time ng 2024.
Okay.
It was a very good day. Kasi whenever I think of it, I'm still very happy, but at the same time in pain. So that day, we went out, we had breakfast, had coffee, ran some errands with him. And for the last time, I felt like I got to feel his hug na he was actually there. I got to kiss him na he was actually there na parang hindi siya empty na tao. I felt him, kumbaga.
Mhm.
Then after that, he kept saying na there's a family issue that's going on, ganyan, ganyan. And he started to vanish. Bumalik na yung 3 to 5 business days na reply,
Yeah.
yung mga ineffectual replies, very absent-minded na replies. Christmas, New Year came around and barely any greeting, barely any checkup. Then January 2025, we saw each other again and there, it's just gone. Parang we're just meeting for compliance purposes. We gave each other gifts, pero
Time to
yung
move on.
awkward na,
Oo. Wala na,
It's
wala
something
na.
like that.
The honeymoon phase
Correct.
is done. The honeymoon phase done. Natikman mo kayo,
Nagkatikiman na sila.
Nagtikiman.
Nagkaalaman sila na
Yeah.
hindi pala sila
Oo.
compatible.
mm. I mean,
Kompapa.
throughout the time na he's sharing with me that he's struggling with his family, I was there. I offered everything that I could. But then again, he's unavoidant. So I understand if he kept pushing me away. But he kept me too far. Eh. He pushed me too far na I don't want you in my life.
Wow.
There came a point that's how I felt.
Hindi ka importante, hindi ka significant.
Hindi, may tao na
Exactly.
they have a self-destructive mode eh. Yung mga ibang tao, alam nila, you're good for them, but they feel like they don't deserve good things. May self-destruction mode yung mga tao eh, talaga eh.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, honestly, I considered that at one point. And that's totally understandable kasi ako rin naman sometimes self-destructing.
Oh.
But it went on for months na, okay, we're trying to talk pa din. And came a point na ako na yung struggling and he was offering to help. Pero kasi when he said na, I'm just here for you, I know that's not true. So parang, just leave me be. Kasi I don't want to attach myself sa'yo na din. Then May 2025, he stopped responding. As in, point blank. In the middle of a conversation, wala nang response. So, di na ako nang ulit. Kasi nalaawa na rin ako sa sarili ko.
Oh.
Ako yung laging nag-i-initiate eh. Ako yung laging nag-reach out if he's not talking to me. So that's what I did. When he ghosted me, I accepted it.
Oh,
Parang my last message.
Na-back to you ka pala, na-back to you ka.
Correct.
Karma.
Pero I'm not saying that what I did is right, pero I think what I did is justified versus what he did to me. But I'm not saying that he's wrong. We all have to make a choice to survive. We all need to do something to survive. And maybe that's what he did. So that's, I don't have anything against him. I messaged him, last time na nag-message ako sa kanya was his birthday. Ulit. I greeted him. I said my piece. I told him I love you for the first time. And I told him that I can love him again if the universe will permit me to do so. Then I blocked him. And I haven't heard him.
Ang gulo ng relasyon.
Okay ka, ha? I love you. Tapos block agad.
Ma-pride.
My point there, I blocked him. Yes, ma-pride. Ayan rin ang sabi sa akin ng friends ko. Grabe yung pride mo. But that's for me to protect myself. Eh.
Yeah.
Kasi
Tama
I'm not
naman.
going to give you the last say.
Yeah. Kasi,
Alam mo, wala kaming ma-advise sa'yo kasi parang nagustuhan ko naman yung approach mo sa bawat senaryo, bawat yugto, bawat pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo dyan sa ex mo. Nagustuhan ko lahat ng approach mo. Lagi mong pinoprotektahan yung sarili mo. Tsaka may respeto ka sa sarili mo. Binibigyan mo lang ng limitasyon yung mga bagay na gusto mo para sirain ka or para pasiyahin ka. Maganda yan. Okay lang yan. Pagpatuloy mo yan. Kaya wala akong
Yes,
ma-advise sa'yo
thank
kung
you.
hindi, ibabaong kita. Approve na approve ako
Well-
sa'yo. Approve na approve ako sa personality mo. Dapat talaga ganyan. Unahin natin yung sarili natin.
good
That's
job.
very nice to hear po. And even if you're not giving me any advice, I hope the people that are listening now
Mm.
can take something from it, that you really have to give importance sa sarili mo. Na dapat laging mahalaga yung sarili mo. You should never lose yourself for anyone or anything.
Tama. Tama ka dyan. Setting
Tama, very
boundaries. Nag-set ka ng boundaries at actually you compromise your boundaries nga eh. Nag-alaga ka pa ng may sakit eh. Tapos
Yes.
chinup-chup eh.
Honestly, sir, after that weekend na inalagaan ko siya, when I was on my way to work, I cried. I was crying so hard na sabi ko, why did you do that?
Oh,
Bakit mo ginawa sa sarili mo yan? You shouldn't.
out
I mean,
of
imagine mo,
out
on
of
and on
ano?
kami for 2 years.
Oh.
Ah?
Out of pity ba? Ginawa mo yun? Or siya ba nag-initiate?
No, I just love him that much.
Oh.
Mapagmahal, pero merong limitasyon.
Thank you for calling.
Maraming salamat sa iyo at
Ganda,
nabigyan
ganda.
mo kami ng magandang kwento at lesson for tonight.
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music and entertainment.
At mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahan ang aming website sa truefm.ph.
Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.